little baby. Hi, little baby. She's actually a baby. She look kind of big on here, but she's a baby. She's a really little baby. Hi. It's funny. I didn't even know that they eat grass. Hello, little baby. Hi. Hello. She is so cute. I wish y'all could see her in person. She is adorable. So freaking adorable. Hello. Where's your mama? And your daddy? Where you going? Where are you going? You know, when animals and like nature is drawn to you, that's how you know you have a pure spirit. And I just want to say, you want to keep that. You definitely want to keep that about you, because the world can sometimes be a lot. But your true nature and your true essence comes out when you pretty much in a pressure cooker. So always keep your perspective on life positive and uplifting, because this is really what it's all about. Ain't that right, little baby? Ain't that right? She's so cute.